Here we have a 2018 BMW 530e M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 4 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've got the Alpine white exterior paintwork on this vehicle, black kidney grills at the front. Now we've also got the full performance styling kit. Coming around to this corner you'll see your second 20-inch alloy wheel, side skirts at the bottom there. We've also got the colour-coded wing mirrors, chrome door handles with the body coloured accents as well. Here you'll notice we've got the charging ports, as this is a hybrid vehicle, so you will get great running costs whilst driving this around. Black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. There's a look at that third alloy wheel, spoiler lip at the rear there. Now we've also got front and rear parking sensors as well, with visual display inside, as well as our dual exit exhaust tips, one on either side there. Open up the boot here, see we've got plenty of space for whatever you may need. You've got your charging cables on the left there as well. Coming around to this corner you'll notice that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And let's go on to that interior. Now, as you can see we have got the full leather interior, and how great do these seats look. We've got ISO fixed points within the seats, we've got a blue stitching throughout as well, fold down armrest in the centre. In the middle you've got additional storage with some vents and 12-volt connectivity, Harman Kardon sound system on the doors, brushed metal handleless, fantastic patterned trim, more leather with that blue stitching, electric window controls there as well. Coming into the front you've got that same full leather interior, and again how great do these seats look. Got that same blue stitching just there too. Just going to turn those lights off. Now these seats are electrically adjustable, as you can see just there. We've also got our electric windows, power folding wing mirrors, brushed metal handle, unlock and lock, that same Harman Kardon sound system. We've also got our boot release button down there too. Stepping inside you've got your auto lights on the right. We'll close the vehicle up, stop button just there, and as you can see we have got the digital display in front. And as this is a hybrid, the engine has not actually started yet, but we could drive as we are. And I put it into drive, and then it will go with electric power and then kick in when it needs to. And you can actually control these with the e-drive button, so you've got things like max e-drive, battery control and auto e-drive, as well as your different drive modes like sport, comfort and eco. And the display will actually change depending on which mode you're in, as you can see just there. Really nice feature on these cars. Now taking a step back, we've got the multifunctional steering wheel, things like cruise control, speed limiter, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right there. Coming into the middle you've got your infotainment screen, so on here you'll find things like your satellite navigation, different forms of media connectivity, as you can see just there. We've also got phone connectivity. Intelligent safety can be found on here as well. And then another thing to show is, of course, if we put the vehicle into reverse, we've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors just there. Now, another nice feature we do have in this vehicle is the ambient lighting. So if we go into my vehicle settings, lights, interior lighting, you'll see we've got a huge array of colours we can pick between for the ambient lighting, which looks absolutely fantastic, especially at night time. And you can change that brightness like so. Now working our way down, stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls. We've got heated seats for both front passengers as well. Coming down, the same familiar patterned trim throughout, which looks superb. Two good sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB connection point just there. We've then got our different shortcuts and control wheel with touchpad for the infotainment screen. Gear stick just here. We can also take manual control like so, should we wish, as well as using the paddles. We've got traction control, different mode selects, e-drive, a button for our parking sensors, and of course our electronic handbrake with auto hold functions just there. Now in the middle we've got our soft touch leather armrest, which does double up as storage. You'll find a 12-volt connection point in there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530e. Now, the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now, starting off, we have got our cruise control, which to activate, we'll simply press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger in the middle, and we're now cruising at our current speed. Very easy to adjust that speed, and then to deactivate, we can either apply pressure to the brakes or simply press cancel on the steering wheel, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, and back into 7th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions at all, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, there's plenty of great features to talk about in this vehicle. Of course, the full leather interior being one. These are incredibly comfortable seats, especially with being electrically adjustable and having the heating functions as well. Great seats, especially for those long distance journeys. We've also got plenty of great tech in here as well, like with the digital display in front of us, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, the list goes on. Plenty of great features in here. That beep was just to say we need to fill up shortly. We've got low range, nothing to worry about. We've also got the ambient lighting in here, which at night time looks absolutely fantastic. Really a nice sight to see. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. If you have a look online, you'll see that we are a 5-star dealership too. If you have a look at the reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. So emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. Very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse. We've got a visual display of both front and rear parking sensors, all working exactly as you would expect. And we're about to drive over a speed bump as well, so listen out for any unwanted sounds. There we go, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. Appointments are also welcome if you'd wish to come and view the vehicle in person. And if there is anything we have missed in the online photos, the video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. Now, that is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.